How to log out Instagram account from other devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log out your Instagram account from other devices, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to log out your Instagram account from other devices, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon, tap the three lines option here and then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, what you want to do is you simply want to head over to security. One way that you can actually log out all the account from your device is by simply changing the password, and when you change your password, all of the devices that are currently logged into your Instagram account are going to get automatically logged out. You don't need to do anything other than that. But if you want to review the devices manually, then you can just go to login activity here. Once you go to login activity, you'll be able to see all of the logged in sessions, where you can simply select the three dots option next to the account that you want to remove, and then once you select that, tap the logout option, and then you'll be able to log out of them respectively. That's all it takes to go ahead and basically log out your Instagram account from all other devices. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.